I just finished up the install on a 1985 Monte Carlo. It's a race car. You know, it's got a 355 up in it, motor. I did alpine deck, 3.5 Cerwin Vega speakers he had already put in here. I flush mounted pick of 1-inch tweeters in each panel. All new speaker wire ran from each speaker to the amp. 4x10 Cerwin Vega speakers back here in the rear deck. Pioneer 4-channel. See all the speaker wire, nice and neat. I do it. The ground for it. And DSP controlling everything. This thing loud and clear. Just for these four speakers. These speakers names got that. They don't even put out that many watts. So it made it work. Sound good.